Okay, today we are going to talk about how to create a simple navigation bar by using HTML and CSS. Navigation bar, it's something like this, which is tabs. It's a clickable tabs. When I click on this tab, he will redirect me to another section or another page. The navigation bar, I'm using it to simplify the navigation in my website. Firstly, we need to create a HTML file, and then we will create a CSS file. This is the HTML file, and this the CSS file. The code, it's very simple. Let's write it together from the beginning. Okay, this is an empty page. So I will start to create a nav bar. I will use a nav tag. This is the first tag that we will use it. The nav bar is to create a navigation bar, and I will use the unordered list, which is UL tag, to create the list items. So I will create the list items by using li tag, and in each li or in each list, I will add the anchor tag. Okay, the anchor tag to create a hyperreference. So I will name it home. And this line, I will take it a copy and paste it here and paste it here 4 times. And it changed the word. One, it will be orders. And third, it will be info, for example. You can create anything you want it, okay? And contacts. As you see here, when I'm clicking on run, it will create this one for me, but I need to remove all of the CSS code to see. Yes, this is the HTML output that I created. There is no code here in the CSS. So I finished the part of the HTML right now. So I will start the CSS code by adding some features. Firstly, I need to remove or to create a background for this navigation bar. So I will use nav tag and create a background color property. For example, I will use gray or yellow, whatever. So I will click run. As you see here, this is the background. So you need to change it, or you can remove it, whatever. Okay, so I will create a simple features, like I need to remove the dots. These dots are created by using UL, because I'm using UL and ordered list. So I will use the UL and choose style or list style type property to remove this one. So I will need it to be none. As you see here, the dots is removed because I used this property and set the value of it to be none. And then I will remove the underline here in this anchor tag. So I will use the anchor tag and use text decoration, the property of text decoration, and make it none also. So if I'm clicking on run, as you see, the underline is it's hidden. So I will also create a color or set the color to be black and run. Very well. So as you see here, this is our navigation bar, but I need it to be horizontally, not vertically like this. So I will control the display in the LI to make it inline block. I will use inline block property to make it as you see here, right? So I need to make a margin right here also, make a space between them. So I will use the li also to make margin right by, for example, 20 pixels. Let's run. Great, awesome. So I need also to make a hover. So I will use li space anchor tag. I need to set a hover for the hover like a highlight, okay? So I will set a background color for this hover to be, for example, yellow, and click on run. As you see here, this is a hover, but I don't like this, so I need to make it color only. I need to be color only. So I will choose this one. It's really good for me, or I can make it green, for example. Okay. So as you see, this is the final output. Okay. So if you need to make a background, as you see, background color, I will name it gray background and set the height of it to be, for example, 10 pixels, the height of the background or the navigation bar, as you see here. If I need to make it also bigger, more bigger, or I will put border radius also, border radius. Okay, border radius, for example, 15 pixels. Okay, and I can put text line in the center. Let's try it. Very well. And finally, I can set the final part here. I can in the list, I can make margin right, margin top to be margin top to be 20 pixels. Yes, very nice. And I choose this one to be yellow or gold. Very well. That's it. I need from you to implement in one compiler editor, and see you in the next session, inshallah. Thank you so much.